Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and on today's Learning Through Play, I'm going to show you the 3 V's of creating early readers. Let's get started. So you want your child to be a happy and successful reader. We all do. In order to do that, we need to set them up early for reading success. I have found the following 3 V's to be very successful in helping my child to become an early reader. Value, voice, and visual. Let me explain what I mean by each one. First and foremost, we need to place value on reading. You can do this in a number of ways. Reading to your child, making an opportunity to get cozy together and to share a story, creating a reading nook in your home, especially for your child to be able to sit and discover books on his or her own, a specially designed place where they can learn to love books by getting into the world of reading. Making trips to the library seem as exciting as if it were a toy store. Letting them take ownership of picking out their own books, bringing them back home and sharing them throughout the week. These kind of things will really enhance the excitement of reading. And my favorite way, let them see you reading. If we want them to become happy readers, we have to be happy readers. We need to be who we want them to become, and it will amaze you. Whenever your child sees that you're taking an interest in books, they will want to follow right behind. Read beside your child. Discuss the book like it's a book club. You can also sit beside them and read their books to show that they're important to you as well. My second V is to give letters and words a voice. Oftentimes when we teach our children the alphabet, we tell them to identify the letters A, B, C. We need to make sure that along with that, we are also giving the sounds of each letter. Give those letters a voice. A says A, B says B. And as they continue to learn, they will be able to read words quicker. When they see letters on a page, such as B-A-L-L, instead of just seeing the letters, they will hear the sounds. B-A-L. This will create a quicker response to knowing what that word is and being able to recall it, thus an early reader. Yes, there are different sounds for certain letters. C has 2 sounds, Y has 3 sounds. Just pick one while you're starting and then add the layers of the different sounds to those letters as your children become more knowledgeable. But you will find as you do this that your children will pick up on words quicker because they are hearing the letters as they see the letters. It is really quite extraordinary how well it works. Another fun way to practice letter sounds is through a letter box. Every week, you could fill a box with different items that start with a different letter. This week, we're doing B. So you could fill it with things such as book, banana, bear, boat, something blue, and Batman. As your child plays with these objects and you say the sound that they begin with, it will provide a real-life connection that fosters early reading. The third V that helps create early readers is to provide visuals that facilitate reading. Grab some Post-it notes that you have lying around the house, write 4 or 5 words of objects that are in your house, and place them on the objects. You can do chair, window. Get your kids involved with this. Have them place the words where they go. Tell them that that says door. Sound out the letters for them. As you do this around the house, once they get comfortable with knowing that that's what those words represent, you can play a game where you put them all on the counter and say, can you place these where they go? This kind of learning game will create readers without them even knowing that they're working. You can go on word walks with your children. This way, you can have them point to signs that have the letters of the words you've been working on, or you can point to objects that start with the sound of the letter you're working on. Here my son is pointing to a bird because we were working with the letter B and the sound B for that week. You can also go on word searches inside books. Lay out a bunch of books that your child likes, pick a letter or a sound, and ask them to go and find it in each book. They love searching for things and feeling like word detectives. I hope you found these 3 V's to be helpful in creating an early reader out of your child. I truly believe if we sow the seeds now in our early readers, we will reap the fruits of happy, successful, lifelong readers for the future. Until next time, wishing you and your child lots of simplicity, progress, and joy. Bye!